The COVID-19 pandemic has plunged our world into a huge crisis, and standing 6 feet apart is the passive way to fight it. The only way to truly defeat this virus and to protect your family is to be on the offensive. That is why we have designed BioblockR. It is the most powerful personal disinfecting device in the industry. Proudly designed in Silicon Valley, this device uses an industry-leading germicidal UVC LED light that emits over 135 milliwatts, enough to kill COVID-19 in under 1 second. Unlike other dangerous mercury vapor, argon gas UVC bulbs, BioblockR turns on instantly and doesn't need to go through a period of warm-up to be effective. Simply point it at surfaces that may harbor pathogens, press the button, and light emits at high intensity for rapid disinfection at a distance of 1 to 2 inches. It includes a visible target LED light to help you see and direct the UVC beam. You can disinfect an entire keyboard in less than 30 seconds. You can disinfect your whole desk while your coffee brews. It includes a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that lasts up to 4 hours on a single charge. That's almost an entire week of usage. Forget all the flimsy and boring devices you see around you. BioblockR is sleek, elegant, and designed to last. Its case is die-cast aluminum with a glass bead powder coat finish, giving it protection from dust, dirt, and water. It comes in 2 colors, gunmetal gray or rosé all day. Our aim is to enable everyone to have peace of mind and to start getting their lives back to a sense of normality. Let's defend our health together and bring back independence to our lives.